In an ammeter, 0.2% of the main current passes through the galvanometer. If resistance of galvanometer is G, the resistance of ammeter will be what we need to find here. Okay, so we'll see one of circuit diagram here. If 0.2% of the main current, here the current, if I'm going to get is a 2I divided by 1000, in that 0.2%, if I'm going to take passes through the galvanometer, that is 998I divided by 1000, it will be passed. Okay, then if the resistance of the galvanometer G, then the resistance of the ammeter will be what? Ammeter resistance, what we need to find here. Okay, so from the circuit diagram, the potential difference is the same across both the resistance. Potential difference, potential from the circuit diagram, we can say potential difference is the same in both the resistance. Is the same in both the resistance. Then we can write the equation as 2 times I divided by 1000 G, which is equal to 998 I divided by 1000. Then we'll get the S value, that is equal to G by 499. The total resistance of the ammeter will be total resistance of ammeter will be R is equal to Sg divided by S plus G, which gives the value G divided by 499 times G whole divided by G divided by 499 plus G. Then we get the answer G divided by 500. So option G divided by 500, option C is the right answer.